Because of the thunderstorm last night, all of our houses, me and my friends, have been knocked down. I guess we need new houses now. Can you help me? Sigmala. Oh, hi there. I didn't know it was a Sam's Dinosaur Lab day today. Well, anyway, welcome to Sam's Dinosaur Lab. Oh, hello Parasaurolophus, Ankylosaurus, Troodon, Stegosaurus, Apatosaurus and T-Rex. Why are you here? Our houses got knocked down yesterday in the storm. Can you help us build some new houses? Of course, why not? Looks like today we're gonna have to do some dinosaur rescuing. Dinosaur rehabilitation. Habilitation. Dinosaur helping. But I guess we might need some materials first. Oh my goodness! It's like I'm attracted to meteors! It's another meteor! Let's just go! Oh! Hey! That was nice. It was just a material shower, not a meteor shower. We've got a whole lot of things here to build the zoo. So, I guess let's start building. But first, I think I'll need to get these guys to a destination where they can relax while we build. Alright, we're almost done with the first enclosure. Let's just put some trees. Back to the material. Okay, nature time. Well, we're done with 3 enclosures. So how about we call 3 of those dinosaurs back and then keep on building. Okay, we don't have any more block materials left. So let's do something a little different and put this box as an enclosure. Now let's get our 3 other dinosaur friends inside. Done with our park. Just one more thing. And there. How about we just give them a little food? Alright, here's my little natural wheelbarrow. Let's open the enclosure. Whoops. Yum, yum, yum. Oh wow, I really love leaves. It's my favorite. And you guys too. Oh, leaves. Sweet, sweet leaves. Oh. Okay, we need more leaves. And here you go, Ankylosaurus. Nom nom nom. That was nice. And now we need some meat for the meat eaters. And some meat. Why is there so little? Yeah, it's not like I keep herbivore remains in my house, T-Rex. Yummy. Well, that was amazing. Well, that's it for today's episode. Next week, I'll be back with more dinosaur facts to share with you. Well, okay, I promise you it's going to be facts. Goodbye.